Hi guys, how are you all doing? Welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. As always, you are welcome to my channel, and I apologize for my long absence. I'm sure you guys missed me. I've seen all your engagements, I've seen all your emails, and I am glad that I'm getting the responses I'm getting from all of you. And for those of you that I have been able to help again, I want to let you know that it has been my pleasure. If this is your first time of stopping on my channel, you're welcome. Okay, my name is Ajalah. I'm a lawyer, and I will guide you through everything that you need to do in order to navigate the business world or the legal world of Nigeria happily. I think that's the more word. Yeah, so with informed decisions. So today I want to talk to us about something like one cool business. Sorry guys, I'm actually filming this outside because my ring light spoiled and I've not gotten around to repairing it. I don't even know if I can repair a ring light or not. Okay, so that would that means that I'll be filming outside using natural light as much as I can. Anyways, I want to talk to us about this cool business that a lot of people have been engaging in, and there's no law that says you cannot engage in it as well. Okay, you don't really need to do much like that in order to make money. You just need to know how to put the right legal structures on ground, and you're going to do it. It is the business of being a money lender. A lot of the people who are following me are people who have problems with money lenders, but these people, if they are licensed, if you do your business together with a licensed money lender, there's no reason why you should not benefit and the money lender should not benefit. So today I want to talk about the other extreme. Okay, the people who are money lenders, not the loan sharks, not the ones who set out to defraud people and take undue advantage of people's poverty and the bad economy. Not those ones. Licensed money lenders who want to do business in Nigeria. There is a way you too can become a money lender, so that if you are not, loan sharks are not calling you, you are the one giving out loans on very fair terms. So what are the requirements that you even need in order to register yourself as a loan shark, as a money lender? The first thing I will tell you is that there's actually a law. It is called the Money Lenders Act of 1936. Imagine a law that was enacted in 1936. It is a law that is governing the business of money lending in Nigeria. And under the Money Lenders Act of 1936, you are not allowed in Nigeria to engage in the business of money lending. That is to say, giving people money in hopes that they will pay you back with an interest. You cannot do something like that in Nigeria without, first of all, being licensed to do so. And different states have different regulations for who can be a money lender in their state. So I'm going to give you the general breakdown for all the requirements that it will take for you to be a money lender. Okay, then there will be small differences, tiny differences among most states, but for most of the time, if you have these ones, then you are good to go. The first thing you need to do is to register your business under the Corporate Affairs Commission as a limited liability company. That is to say that you cannot be a money lender as a business name, you cannot do it as a sole proprietorship, and you cannot do it as an individual. You must register as a limited liability company. It's up to you whether you want to go public or not. And when it comes to share capital, as you are registering, tell your lawyer that you want to do a business of money lending. That will guide the lawyer as to the amount of share capital that you must have. And the share capital must be a minimum of 200 million. Yes, you will need 200 million naira. So this business is for people that have some cash that they want to do clean business with, but they are busy doing other things. Do you understand that kind of thing? So you will need 200 million naira to register as a money lender. That's the minimum share capital. Sorry, I didn't say you need 200 million naira, but that is the minimum share capital. Then there is a specialized type of money lender again that a lot of people don't know of. That is people who will give out money so that people can use to build houses. Then you collect your money over time. That is to say, you want to become a mortgage banker. So for that one, the minimum share capital is 1 billion naira. 1 billion naira is the minimum share capital for that one. If you want to do the money lending for purposes of people building houses, the minimum share capital is 1 billion. So yes, go and register your business as a limited liability company. Then the next thing you need to do is go and register yourself with the Central Bank of Nigeria. When you register yourself with CBN, then the next thing you are going to do, I think there are some small fees that you are going to pay there as well. Then the next place you are going to register yourself is our friend the FCCPC. Okay, FCCPC is what is going to regulate you, you know, so that they will know how much you charge, so that you don't overcharge people and all that. Then the next place you are going to go and register yourself after the FCCPC is the Credit Bureau of Nigeria. Okay, the Credit Bureau of Nigeria is what's going to give you access to who Nigerians are, who is the average person whom they think would need a loan, and then they will also give you services of helping you recover loan in case you meet with defaulters the right way. If you notice something about loan sharks, is that they mostly don't want to engage in all these ones because they themselves are not licensed. That is why they will be harassing you. But if you are a licensed money lender, the likelihood that you're going to have to call and harass people and start pasting posters trying to defame people is low, because the right government agencies are on your side, and you yourself, you are not doing anything wrong. Okay, so you register yourself with the FCCPC. After that, then the documents that you require, they will give you all sorts of certifications. Then you take it to a magistrate. You go and apply to a magistrate, that then the magistrate is going to give a recommendation that you'll be issued a license. You will now forward that recommendation from the magistrate to the Commissioner of Finance or the Permanent Secretary of Ministry of Finance of wherever is the state that you want to register and start the money lending. And that is when they will now issue you a money lender's license. Okay, then after you've done all this one, this is the cool part about this business of money lender's license. After you've gotten all that, you know, you will now go to the Accountant General of the states or the Accountant General of the Federation again and go and register yourself there. This will give you access to the people that can take loan. I mean, the people that when they collect loan from you, it is guaranteed that they are going to pay back. That is civil servants. And the reason is because the Accountant General of the state or Accountant General of the Federation, whichever one it is that applies, will underwrite those loans. So you can even streamline your own business in such a way that you will only be giving out loans to civil servants. That way, you generate your USSD code, and then civil servants will collect your loans. At the end of the month, when salaries are paid, the Accountant General himself is going to withdraw your money and pay it back to you gradually without you dragging or anything. Nobody is going to come and fight. You don't need to harass anybody. So that's one cool business I felt like I should bring to your notice. Okay, if you need, this one is just a general overview of how it is done. There will be some tiny more minute details that you may need to know from me, such as the particulars of directors. You must have not less than 2 people are going to be directors, and then their means of identification. We'll run financial checks on them, on you actually, then police reports, all those small ones. Then maybe if you want to engage in it or you need further explanation, then you click on the link so that you have a paid consultation with me, and then I will tell you how we'll need to do that one. All those small like maybe addresses, all those small, they are basically some small things like that. But I feel like it's a cool business that if you have some money lying around, you should engage in. Okay, that would help you to make some money without plenty of stress. I hope this video helps, and if it did, I would really appreciate a thumbs up from you. Then drop me your opinion if you would like to do it, or your opinion generally on money lenders, so that you will not be found on the wrong side of the law. You will not be found among those people who are doing business of money lending without a license, like one other lady that I had who was harassing a client of mine. So I spoke to her and she was like, okay, let's settle this out of court. I don't want us to drag, because me, I will never advise a client of mine to collect money from somebody and not pay. It doesn't speak well of you. So I was trying to negotiate favorable terms with her, and she was busy saying they must pay her money now. I said, madam, my clients no get money to pay you now. And so she was insisting that they must pay her now or she'll call police. I said, okay, where is your money lender's license? Then she started crying. Okay, so that is what will not apply to you, because at that point I now became a bad woman. Are you not a woman like me? And I said, shut up, madam, come on, where is your money lender's license? If we either will do it the simple way or we do it the hard way. I don't want you, my followers, I don't want you, my subscribers, to fall in the line of people who are breaking any law. So if you want any further information on that, click on the link in the description box. That is going to, you'll make some payments. Yes, this one is going to be a paid consultation. You'll make some payment, then you will direct it to a link on WhatsApp, that you will communicate directly with me, and then we are going to do this. Thank you so much for sticking by with me today. I really appreciate it. I love you all, and if you're not yet my subscriber, please subscribe, so that channel can grow. I have a very good day. Bye.